In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keyframe on Canva. Start by opening Canva and heading to the design you want to animate. You can use an existing project or create a new one and add your images, text, or shapes. The idea here is to simulate keyframes using Canva's animation tools so you can control where an element starts, where it ends, and how it moves between those points. Let's begin with motion paths. Click the image, text, or object you want to animate on your design. In the top toolbar, click Animate, then choose Create an Animation. Depending on your version, this might appear as a plus icon. Now, click and drag the element across the canvas to draw the purple path. This path represents the motion your object will follow. If you want a perfectly straight path, hold the Shift key while dragging. Release your mouse to set the path. A settings panel will appear where you can adjust the speed and add rotations or other effects. Use these controls to fine-tune how quickly the element travels and whether it spins or tilts as it moves. Keep movements intentional and not too long, so your audience can follow the action without distraction. Next, use Match Move for page-to-page transitions. In the timeline area, right-click your page and select Duplicate Page. On the new page, slightly reposition the same element to where you want it to end up next. Between the two pages, click the transition icon that looks like a play button and select Match Move. Canva will automatically create a smooth animation that connects the element's position from the first page to the second. This is great for step-by-step sequences, walkthroughs, or slide stories where objects shift naturally from one scene to the next. Finally, use Canva's built-in animations and timing for simple effects. Select the element or the entire page you want to animate, click Animate in the toolbar, and pick a preset like Fade, Pan, or Rise. These are quick ways to add polish. For more control over when something appears or disappears, click the element or photo, select More, then choose Show Element Timing. Adjust the timing in the timeline so elements come in exactly when you want them to, which helps create a clear visual rhythm. That's it. Thanks for watching.